Hello guys, welcome back to Duplicate Universe. I think you're all familiar with the wireless transmission of data from one place to another. And one of the common examples for this is Bluetooth. Now imagine transferring of electricity wirelessly. Yes, if this wireless transfer of electricity is real, there would be a lot of changes in our daily lifestyle. No long high voltage wirings in front of our homes, charging your mobile without removing it from your pocket, and many more. There's a scientist who thought of a wireless world a long way before in the start of 20th century. And his name is none other than Nikola Tesla. And in this video, we discuss about the ideas of Nikola Tesla and how it works. And finally, we see if the world really becomes wireless or not. So watch this video till the end without skipping in the middle. Now let's get started. Nikola Tesla was a Siberian American inventor and was well known for his inventions and contributions to physics. In the early years of 20th century, Tesla's mind is thinking about some unusual technology that was not there at that time. When people were thinking about electricity and its uses, Nikola Tesla was far ahead of all of them, thinking about transferring the electricity wireless. In 1891, Tesla invented and designed a Tesla coil, which is an electrical resonant transformer circuit. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency alternating current electricity. Tesla thought of transferring the electricity wirelessly using this Tesla coil, and it worked. You can light a bulb as if it was plugged in. Even after a century of Tesla's invention, we are still plugging our wires into the walls for electricity. But why Tesla invention did come into reality? Let's find it out. This is because there is a major drawback in this Tesla coil. When we move objects far from the Tesla coil, the intensity of power decreases by a power of 6 to the distance. That means if you double the distance, the power will be decreased by 64 times. So we can't use Tesla coil to transfer electricity for a long distances. After the drawback in his invention, Tesla came up in front of the world with a new idea. To demonstrate this, in 1901, Tesla built a huge structure of 57-meter height and named it Wardenclyffe Tower. In a simple way, Wardenclyffe Tower is a reversal version of Tesla coil. With the help of this Wardenclyffe Tower, Tesla thought of supplying the power to the whole city wirelessly. But Tesla made some wrong assumptions which were thought to be correct at that time. At that time, Tesla thought that the earth and sky were good conductors of electricity and thought to supply the power through the earth so that you can use the electricity by just plugging into the ground. But the later inventions proved that earth is a very bad conductor of electricity. And another wrong assumption made by Tesla is that electromagnetic waves travel in the form of longitudinal waves, but they actually travel in the form of transverse waves. This is why we were unable to see wireless transfer of electricity even after a century of Tesla's invention. But there is something that needs to be identified. Even though his thought of transferring the electricity wirelessly had failed, Tesla coil is still useful to make your home wireless. And there are many new technologies emerging in the world which is pushing us into wireless mode. There are many smartphone companies that are providing wireless charging feature for their mobiles. And in future we may see the wireless world. And thank you Sir Nikola Tesla for giving a start for building the wireless world. This is it guys. Thanks for watching. Do like this video and share this with your friends. And subscribe our channel for more such valuable content.